Today we're back changing deck boards after we power washed the crap out of these and stripped them. So now we're changing the ones that are no good on this giant circle deck and just trying to make it look like a brand new deck by the time we're done. Nice jacuzzi, it's got a little up there. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. See where we get to by the end of today. No Hurricane Hanna because he's down with the sickness. So for today, we just have Bob Ross Jr. working. That's it. It's just me. Wish me luck, folks. Hit some subscribe buttons and let's move on. Thanks.